This is some dry pasta and this is some dry basmati rice. If you're someone that's trying to manage your calories, maybe you're someone that's trying to lose a little bit of weight, then let me explain how this might help you save around 250 to 300 calories per meal. Now, when you're cooking rice and pasta, water is absorbed when cooking it, increasing its weight, but not the calorie content. For example, if you wanted to measure yourself a 125 gram portion of rice dry and then cook it, that would be around 460 calories. Whereas if you were to measure the rice after cooking it, let's say 125 grams, that would only be about 150 calories. So the difference between 125 grams of dry rice and 125 grams of cooked rice is actually quite significant, isn't it? And that's where, again, you could be saving yourself between 250 and 300 calories a meal. And exactly the same thing happens when you're cooking pasta. When you cook it, it absorbs water and the weight of the food changes, but not its calorie content. For example, when you're cooking 125 grams of white pasta, that would be around 200 calories. Whereas if you were to measure 125 grams of dried pasta, that would be over 400 calories. Now, I'm not saying you have to measure your food every single time, but it might be a good idea of your portion size and what's good for you. You could weigh the food once you've cooked it to get an estimate amount of calories, and then probably saving yourself nearly 1,000 calories a week. Obviously, depending on how often you eat rice and pasta. But anyway, there we go. Just remember to weigh it once you've cooked it.